If you're new to rebounding, then you're going to start with 5 easy steps, okay? And 4 very important tips that I'm going to tell you about. Let's get started. Okay, we are going to start, first of all, those 4 tips. Good posture, stand up straight. We want to engage the core, tighten it. We want to relax the shoulders. If you have soft knees, bend the knees just slightly. 4 important tips every single time you get on the mini trampoline. Let's start with 5 easy steps, which is a health bounce. You're pushing down on the mat, about shoulder width apart, using your whole body weight to push down. We are continuing to engage the core, tighten it like somebody's hitting you in the stomach. Or you want to do a soft, like a little bit of a pelvic tilt. So squeeze the glutes and push down. And breathe in and out. Again. Just getting the lymphatic system moving, because our heart is pumping, the lymphatic system is not pumping, it doesn't have a pump. You are pumping the lymphatic system, getting those cells moving. All right, begin a little bit further, more pressure, pushing down. Now, let's circle the arms. Forward, and then back. That's your first step, that's your health bounce. Now, let's go to the next step, which is number 2. It's going to be very easy, and it's going to be a walk. Just to left and right. Again, we're pushing down on the mat. You're going to use your arms, push down like this. You can move around if you have room. This is a 44-inch jump sport, 550 Pro, so I have plenty of room to move around. And give me that smile. If you are struggling with fatigue, give rebounding a try. Try it. Put in the work, 66 days. It takes 66 days to form a good habit. And you'll notice that you'll have more energy. Now go up. You have more energy, sleep better, and less stress. What I love about rebounding is it's low impact, easy on your joints. So you're going to do that for about a minute each. Now we're going to go to the next one, number 3, which is going to be heels. You can do heels to the front, or you can do heels to the corner. And if you want to swing your arms, pushing down. Back to the front. You can do some bicep curls. So we want to continue to do that, like I said, about a minute. Now, start with just 2 minutes a day, just with a health bounce. And then add the next step, another minute, the next step. By the time you do all 5 steps, you'll have your 5 minutes in. All right, let's go to the out-in. Looks like this, out, in. Now you can put some slower music on or no music at all. This one is a little bit fast for this. Do the other side. Out, out, in, in. You want to swing your arms? All right, this is beginner level, mostly grounded moves. Your last move, which we'll do in a minute. You can bend a little bit and really push, kind of like you're doing a squat. Or you can add some hips too, do a little swing. Just making it fun for you today. Back to a walk, and all right, and we're gonna go down to the last, number 5, basic bounce. Everyone does the basic bounce. All right, about shoulder width apart. And you're gonna lift off just a little bit. Lifting off just a little bit off the mat. Let me turn this way. I'm still engaging the core, tightening the legs. Now, if you want, and you're ready, you can add the arms. How's that feel to you? If that is too much, just lower it down to a push and do a little bit of a heel lift. When you're brand new, you want to start, like I said, with just about 2 minutes a day, and then add on a minute each time. Pretty soon, you'll have your 5 minutes and your 5 steps and doing it like a pro. So again, it was the health bounce, pushing down. It was the walk. It was the heels, either to the front or to the corners. Then it was an out in. Now, once you get familiar with the out in, then you can do a half jack. So out in, you can also pop the legs up. Switch. And back to your basic bounce. And there you have it. The 5 steps. But you know, I always have to add a bonus. If you've been following me for a while, have to add a bonus. You know what the bonus is today? I learned this. Ha, that's really advanced. Yeah, that's very much advanced. All right, let's just slow it down and breathe in and breathe out. Step off your trampoline very carefully. And, okay. That's it for today. I want to thank you for coming in, spending some time with me, and hope you have a very blessed day. Bye.